This supplement is blowing up right now, and if the ads are to be believed, it sounds like a total game changer. It's called CircuSync Blood Optimizer, and the claims are bold. Improves blood flow, boosts circulation, supports heart health, increases energy, and even helps with cold hands and feet. Some ads go as far as suggesting it fixes circulation issues at the root, naturally. Before we go any further, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled by marketing. Because when supplements start promising big medical outcomes, that's when it's time to slow down and look closer. So let's talk about what CircuSync is actually doing. The formula is built around common circulation support ingredients like nitric oxide boosters, herbal extracts, and vitamins known to support vessel function. On paper, that sounds solid. Some of these ingredients do have research showing they can support circulation when taken consistently and in proper doses. But here's where the marketing stretches things. Most studies look at individual ingredients, not this exact blend, and they measure support, not dramatic transformations. That means claims like optimized blood flow or rapid results are often based on how users feel, not on clinical testing of the product itself. Feeling warmer hands, slightly better energy, or improved workouts is possible, but that's very different from reversing circulation problems or replacing medical care. So what's the real verdict? CircuSync Blood Optimizer isn't a scam, but it's not a miracle either. If you're generally healthy and looking for mild circulation support, it may help over time, especially alongside proper hydration, exercise, and diet. But if you have serious circulation issues, blood pressure concerns, or cardiovascular conditions, this is not a replacement for medical care, no matter how convincing the testimonials sound. Supplements can support your system, they don't override biology. Bottom line, CircuSync can be a supportive add-on, not a cure. Don't buy it expecting instant fixes or dramatic medical results. And if this breakdown saved you from overhyped promises, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'll keep cutting through the marketing so you don't have to.